Namaskar, I am Vijay Raj Desai, and this is my effort of making astrology extremely simple. Today, about yoga, good or bad. Please note that this is a summary, very brief but accurate. Some extremely good positions of planets in the horoscope. Sun and at least three other planets exalted by sign can make a person famous even at international level for a very long period, sometimes as long as he lives, starting in early childhood also. This is an extremely rare and extraordinary situation if present in any horoscope. Such a person is extraordinarily talented in the sphere of life indicated by the planet, which is extremely strong, as per the house also. Such a person possesses some ability which is very much liked or wanted by the people. If any of the exalted planets relate to the house of income or wealth, the person gets huge income also. See this example of a horoscope which indicates extreme prosperity, extreme benefit, extreme beneficial effects. When the combination is such that the owner of 10th house is exalted or in its own sign in 11th house, 2nd house, 4th house or 5th house, and owners of 2nd and 11th houses also are placed strong in the horoscope, it makes a person super rich for an extremely long period, almost as long as he lives. Richness is obtained often because of favors by other people in such cases, may not be because of ability within. For even up to around 7 to 10 years, during the phase that is Dasha of the planet, short periods of fame, richness or position may be obtained even by persons having one planet very strong by sign and house. There are many combinations of positions of planets which make the planets strong and accordingly give immense abilities and obviously benefits when such abilities are used for the people. If the ability bestowed by the strongest planets in the horoscope harmonizes with the ability bestowed by the strongest house in the horoscope, and if such ability is used for the benefit of people, it increases the income and fame of the person as indicated by the horoscope. All these above mentioned situations are favorable yoga. Sometimes these are referred to as Raj Yoga. Some extremely bad positions of planets in the horoscope, which means unfavorable yoga. More than 3 planets weak in any horoscope with not a single planet strong and well positioned make a person live an extremely difficult life almost throughout. Such a person does not possess any ability which can be liked or wanted by the people and for which people will pay high. For even up to around 7 to 10 years during the phase that is Dasha of the planet, short periods of difficulties either in fame, richness or position may be obtained even by persons having one planet very weak by sign and house. There is no need to worry in such situations if the ability bestowed by the stronger planets is used for the benefit of people even during such a weak, that is difficult phase of life. These above mentioned situations obviously are unfavorable yoga during the phase or throughout as the case may be. If you have any difficulties, you may contact me for free consultation. My phone number is 9021 267 537.